Hi Pradosh, welcome to the call.
Hi.
Hi. So Pradosh, as we understand, you have done diploma in communications and management from Bhavan's College, and you started working with as a creative manager with Fourth Dimension. You have worked with companies like Infomedia and Datamatics, and since 2016 you are working on your own as a content marketer. So, would you like to take us through this journey of yours and why you decided to work on your own?
Thank you. Thanks, Pankaj, first of all, for giving me this opportunity to get on this call with you. I would love to talk about myself. So, you see, I started my career in Calcutta. Okay, and I had always been into content creation or content management in different formats. It could be corporate videos, it could be, content curation, it would be creating a design, whatever. Uh, when I came to Bombay, I took a very small step because I came to Bombay with a job in a call center. I worked for around 6 to 7 months there, and then I moved to the Infomedia as a feature writer. That was a first time when I got a kind of a pan-India exposure with respect to content creation and the approach towards content creation. The Datamatics and Ixula in the same domain who were creating content for e-retail solutions. But I sensed that I was getting uh, kind of uh, kind of locked in the operational aspect rather than content creation, content management, content solution, more than the management. But that's not what I was looking for. I was more into looking into what content solution I can offer. अगर आपका एक brand है, then what is it that I can stand beside you and tell you कि पंकज हम लोग को से किए so that it appeals this target audience and they perform that action. So आपको मिल नहीं रहे थे. That's when I thought of leaving the job and do something on my own. And by that time, the digital marketing, inbound marketing, content marketing were interest niche over there. एक तो भैया Pradosh, you already know how to handle content. You can create content. Now you have learned how to create a marketing strategy based on content. So that's fantastic. So चलो ये करते हैं and then let's see how we can help people with content as a solution. That created a perfect space for me and I picked it up. So तब से चालू कर दिया मैंने talking to people and understanding what is the kind of content need they have and how we can help their entire marketing exercise with content as an engine, with content as a fuel. कैसे कर सकते हैं. That's how it started.
Thanks for the introduction. So, as a content marketer, how would you define content and its elements?
So content element as per me, Pankaj, is anything that helps in the communication. Okay, like whatever we are doing now, they are a part of content. You are saying something, you have thought, you have said something that has spurred a kind of or evoked a sense of emotion in me, and that set me to thinking, and I'm responding to it. So
Right.
what we are exchanging, that is content. And if we package it and we share it among people outside, then this entire package, this video, is a form of a content. It's a content format. So whatever we use for the purpose of communication, that's what I would say is a content element. It can be your website content, something that you read, the blog posts that you publish, the images that you use, the graphic that you put up. When I say graphic, I mean those drawings, those infographics, special infographic that you can create and publish. Those infographics, they can be part of the content. Videos, audios, anything that will help a person or a brand communicate what they have in mind is a content. Either it is my website, or it is LinkedIn, or it is Instagram, or it is Facebook. These different places, they are separate channels. you may need to use different approach in publishing your content. But whatever you put up there, they are your content.
Right.
They do not change. And they definitely fall within the gamut of content marketing.
So, in all, content plays almost 100% of a part in creating a brand image of a company, right?
Of course, of course. I mean, this nothing could be more clearer than this. I couldn't agree more with you on this one. A brand relies 100% on content when it comes to building its image, establishing that particular identity, and then following that up with making people aware of who they are, engaging with their people, their community, and finally guide them to make a decision. So at each and every point, whatever you do, you have to use content. So when you say that whether a brand is 100% it kind of relies on the content, yes, no two thoughts about it.
Okay. So coming to the next question, and like now focusing on the travel industry. Like in general, for a travel agency, content comes from various sources. Like they create their own content on their website. They talk about the brand. They talk about the founders. Then there are product landing pages where there is an introduction to it. Okay. And most importantly, when they source content from various DMCs, destination management companies, to make it a part of itineraries that they present on their websites or this. I have seen like rarely a travel company modifies that content, that piece of content that they receive from various people. Most of the time, what they do is they just copy paste that thing on their website. So, what are the probable threats in this kind of a scenario?
First and foremost, I would say Google will straight away slap you. I mean, look at Google. Any search engine per se will straight away take take note of this particular instance. If that content is not, if the content is available on the DMC's website. Now, I understand why travel agencies, they, kind of slip through the eyes of the search engines, because most of the DMCs, they may not have a website of their own. Because for a DMC, it is what? It is like they are a destination management company. They are focusing on one destination. They may not have the bandwidth of making a brand digital and then marketing that brand digitally or in the offline space. But those were the stories of the past. Those were the stories of the past. I repeated that. Why? Because today, going online and then marketing your brand online has become very cheap. So even a destination management company can do that. I have been managing a destination management company before this lockdown happened. Of course, the lockdown has took its toll, but before that, I was managing content for this destination management company. So which means they are creating their content. And if they're creating their content and publishing their content online, then the travel agencies, they need to take heed of this particular situation, and they need to act very quickly, because now the destination management company are there in the online space. They are publishing their content first, then they are giving this content to the travel agencies, then the travel agencies are publishing on their website. The moment this happens, if you see the timeline, you will figure out that the travel agency's content is a copy paste from the content of the destination management companies, the DMC.
Right.
Search engine will keep the track of this timeline, and then they will mark you down as a travel agent. So this is the first and foremost hit that you're going to take. The next part is travel agents, you have your own brand. Okay, let's say a brand like Make My Trip, a brand like Yatra. I was working for, I created content for Yatra as well. They took the effort of creating their own content even when the itineraries are coming from the
Reviews
DMC.
process. Yeah.
Why? Why? Because they have their own brand established already. They have their brand guidelines. The content needs to fit that particular guideline. If the content does not fit that guideline, then it will not sound like Yatra is saying this,
Yatra.
or
Yeah.
Make My Trip is saying this, or some other brand is saying this.
Right.
The moment you start using copy pasted content, you talk like anyone and everyone. In fact, the problem that happens for this brand is they create noise instead of making a communication. When a consumer is visiting a particular travel agent's brand, they know or they expect a particular way of communication from that brand.
Right.
If you are not giving that, then what are you doing? You are failing to communicate. If you are talking like your brand on the first page, on the home page, then you are talking like DMCX on the second page, which is itinerary from DMCX. Then you are talking like DMCY on the third page, which is itinerary from DMCY. Then you are talking like DMCZ on the fourth page, which is itinerary from DMCZ. You are creating a noise and you are failing to make your own image. That is a major kind of slash on the brand of the travel agents. You fail to communicate. I do not know when I'm blindly copy pasting. I do not know what is the content I'm copy pasting. I do not know whether the language I'm copy pasting, whether it is grammatically correct. Let me
Absolutely.
hit at the base. Whether it is grammatically correct. I do not know whether the content that is getting published, the itinerary that is being written, whether it is written in first person, is it written in second person, is it written in third person. So the first itinerary is in first person, the second itinerary is in second person, the third itinerary is in third person. It's a complete mess over there.
Complete chaos.
Fourth, I don't even take the responsibility to back check the facts. I, as a travel agent, I have that responsibility, right? On my website, a person like Pankaj is coming, a person like Nupur is coming, a person like Ahir is coming, a person like Iman is coming. They are visiting my website and they have this thought in their mind, I am visiting Pradosh Mitra's website. So if I give any piece of information, it is like Pradosh Mitra is giving me this piece of information, which means if I give you a wrong piece of information, it is like Pradosh Mitra ne mujhe galat information diya.
Hmm.
So I have to take the responsibility of back checking the fact कि मैं जो itinerary डाल रहा हूँ, whether it is correct, is this what they are offering? ये अभी भी चल रहा है क्या? या मैंने ये 6 महीने पहले चिपका तो दिया था कॉपी पेस्ट करके and I never bothered whether they have updated or they haven't updated. So that is a problem of blind copy pasting, because the moment you do a blind copy pasting, this is what you have in mind. यार मिल गया ना, चिपका दे. Now this chipka is like you are in a state of denial of owning that piece of content, which you are doing wrong for your brand. If you are publishing a content on your brand and you do not own the responsibility of that content, then you are not being true to your brand itself.
So while we are talking of content, storytelling is another part that comes into the picture. And a lot of people are talking about storytelling nowadays. Okay. So how is it important to connect with your users?
Let me ask you this question.
Yes.
When you were in school, आपको केमिस्ट्री का किताब अच्छा लगता था या हिंदी या लैंग्वेज, कोई भी इंग्लिश का किताब अच्छा लगता?
Language, obviously.
The simple reason is उसमें कहानियां होती थी.
I'm a monk. I do not like chemistries and biologies and mathematics.
The reason is very simple. उसमें कहानियां होती थी and we used to get stuck to those stories. Therefore, if you want to present an idea, if you want to communicate something, you have to focus more on the story concept than on the dry information. In the format of a story is what you have to present this entire idea बोलिए या communication concept बोलिए. Now, when we talk about story, ये story होता क्या है? It's a very simple format. आपको एक character चाहिए, आपको एक conflict चाहिए और आपको एक resolution चाहिए. बस 3 चीजें चाहिए. ठीक है? अगर आप ये 3 चीज किसी भी content में डाल दो, you have a story to share. Once you can do that, it helps in building that connection with the visitor, with the user. वरना आप लिखोगे हाँ जा सकते हो आप कलकत्ता, उधर रह सकते हो, फिर उधर बैठ सकते हो, फिर उधर खा सकते हो, इसमें क्या मजा है? There is no fun in it. And I, as a visitor to your website, I will not be able to associate यार कि ये बोल क्या रहा है? Does he even understand my need? When that question comes up in my mind, I will shut you off.
Right.
But if you start telling me a story कि अरे प्रदोष आप तो बिजनेस ट्रैवलर हो, आप कलकत्ता जाने वाले हो, आपको शायद ये चीजें की जरूरत पड़ सकती है क्योंकि उधर ये चीजें मिलती है और ये नहीं मिलती है, तो आप इन चीजों की एक्सपेक्टेशन रखो और ये चीजें की एक्सपेक्टेशन आप रखोगे तो आपको इन जगह से मिलेगा. That becomes the entire package. That is what will communicate with me. That is what will stay with me, and I will come back to you.
Okay.
So this is the format I think which is very, very important for helping a visitor retain a piece of information that one has to share.
See, talking of Kolkata, there is a major conflict. That biryani खाना है तो कौन सा खाना है? अमीनिया का खाना है कि आर्सलन का खाना है?
I have an old bong. I will always vote for Armenia.
Oh, and I will go for Arsalan.
Armenia के साथ क्या ना? I have a different connection क्योंकि कोलकाता दुर्गा पूजो is the biggest film. Okay. और हर साल, as long as I was in Calcutta, हर साल ये दुर्गा पूजो के टाइम में when our school friends we used to meet, we used to always visit Armenia.
Okay.
So this is what brings a story in the entire concept. अगर किसी को मुझे ये Armenia बेचना है या फिर for that particular group of people who are very close knit, who used to travel or who used to step out of their home during Durga Puja, they would know what Armenia or what kind of memories Armenia will bring. While talking about a choice of biryani center, if I can drop in a line about the memories Armenia can bring, because of course Armenia is older than Arsalan, that's like given. I am definitely promoting Armenia because people of my age who has that memories, they will go for it. If I have to keep it neutral, now comes the fun part. If I have to keep it neutral, I have to figure out another such story which is connected with Arsalan and I have to drop it when I'm talking about Arsalan.
Okay.
That's where you build the connection. That is how story helps in, understanding a particular communication, understanding an idea, understanding a concept that we're talking about. Otherwise, it's like dry, bare information. उसमें मजा नहीं आता.
Let me tell you about this one gentleman. Like, he has worked with companies like Thomas Cook, SOTC for years. He has worked as a tour manager with these companies. He knows Europe like no one does. Like, he can tell you lanes and bylanes in cities like Paris and whatever. Okay, he would know everything. He started with his agency. But when you go on his website, you do not get to read this. You do not get to read the stories of his exploration of Europe. And this is so sad.
Yes. He's missing out on this opportunity.
Absolutely. This is so sad. Like, what you expect from this person, that his website will be so vibrant. It would be talking about all the European cities and what all things he has done over there.
Correct.
But he is the one, he would be able to tell you what not to miss in Europe.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct.
how to see Europe differently.
Correct.
I will show you a very different side of Europe, which no Indian
Exactly.
tour operator does.
Exactly.
But it doesn't happen that way.
Oh my God. Oh my God. And I think this person, this gentleman you are talking about, the travel agent you are talking about, I think this person should start working on sharing his experience. Because I'm telling you, Pankaj, the world outside, it has changed drastically. People are more focused on reading experiences. They do not care about information. Information भर भर के मिल रहा है यार.
Hmm.
Information Google खुद दे रहा है. आप अगर अंडमान निकोबार आइलैंड गूगल में सर्च करोगे, गूगल विल नॉट लेट यू मूव आउट ऑफ गूगल का नेटवर्क. वो उसका मैप में देगा, वो उसका रिव्यूज में देगा, वो आपको उसी में जकड़ के रखेगा. Why will you move out of Google का network and arrive on a particular website? Only if that website has to share its experience, its story. अगर आपका ये बंदा उसका खुद का एक्सपीरियंस अगर शेयर करना चालू करे, then he is adding a valuable content to this website.
Actually. So,
That's what is required.
okay. So, in continuation of the same question, what is the importance of writing blogs where you can talk about your own brand, why you, like, why did you find this brand, why did you start this company, why do you work on a specific range of products only or specific range of itineraries only? Okay, do you think this kind of things, this kind of blog creation can help you connecting with your users more? They can understand your brand more. Do you feel so?
But
Can this kind of activities influence their users buying patterns?
yes, definitely. That is the reason I said I'll take a step back, and before starting to talk about the brand itself, I would talk about the journey a general consumer will take on your website or with your brand. Okay, the journey is awareness, engagement, delight. Okay, एक कंज्यूमर का ये 3 स्टेजेस है. इंटरेस्टिंगली डिलाइट में जाके ये जर्नी खत्म नहीं होता है. ये फिर से इट काइंड ऑफ क्रिएट्स अ सर्कल, इट गेट्स कनेक्टेड टू अवेयरनेस. ओके, नाउ लेट मी ब्रेक इट डाउन. अवेयरनेस मतलब आप हो, आप मार्केट में हो. हाउ डू आई नो अबाउट इट? Only if you can answer my question. And what is my question at the first place? Where do I go this summer? That is my question. Do you have an answer to that? If yes, can you present that answer to me? If yes, then I became aware of your existence. Clear? तो आपको सबसे पहले तो एक जेनरिक पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन का कंटेंट रिपोजिटरी बनाना ही है. समर्स में कहाँ जाना है, फैमिली वेकेशन अच्छा क्या है, मनाली या ऊटी कौन सा अच्छा हिल स्टेशन है. These are the different questions which a general traveler will ask. That is where you are giving information which is not related to your brand, but you are helping the person answer their question. The moment you do that, the visitor gets hooked to you. The visitor will get hooked to you. अरे यार, ये बंदे ने मेरे सवाल का जवाब दिया, अभी थोड़ा देखते हैं ये बंदा है कौन. The moment this person asks this question, ये बंदा है कौन, that is the question you are answering with. मेरा ब्रांड ये है, मैंने इसके लिए ये चालू किया था, ये सोच के मैं ये चालू किया था. And the moment you start sharing these stories, you are building a deeper engagement with that visitor.
Wow.
That piece of information is important to share because it helps in engaging with that particular visitor. The moment you talk about your brand, you talk about your purpose. सबको पता है यार, हम लोग धंधा करने के लिए बैठे हैं. आप ट्रैवल एजेंट का वेबसाइट में जा रहे हो, पढ़ रहे हो ब्लॉग, फिर आप जाके उधर एक बाय नाउ में क्लिक करोगे, बुक टिकट क्लिक करोगे. The person is aware. So, but what we are doing is we are saying कि don't focus on that buy now button straight away. वो जब आया है आपके वेबसाइट में वो यही सोच के आया है कि कुछ खरीदेगा, बट बिफोर दैट पर्सन परचेजेस बात तो करो, लेट दैट पर्सन अंडरस्टैंड आप हो कौन, आपने किस लिए ये बनाया, आप क्या दे सकते हो उसे. After answering the generic question and after answering your questions about aap kaun ho, then the person goes ahead, gets the confidence in you, then the person understands कि अच्छा अच्छा ये बंदा ऐसा सोच के ये वाला धंधा चालू किया था, चल देखते ये वाला पैकेज वो देता है क्या, उधर 7 दिन रहने के लिए कुछ उसके पास है क्या. That is where he takes a step closer to the purchase. When the purchase is done, bingo, your job becomes even more difficult, even more challenging, because now the person has bought from you. The question is, how are you going to delight that person? The moment you help that person in the delight factor, यार इसके साथ जाके अच्छा लगा, इधर से ये खरीद के अच्छा लगा,
right.
The person is with you for life. वो उसको दोस्त को बोलेगा, सुन तू अगर जा रहा है ना इधर पंकज से टिकट खरीद. That is exactly what used to happen in the past. अपने दोस्त लोग वैसे ही बोलते थे, एसओटीसी से खरीद, ऑक्सन किंग से खरीद. How did these brands they become a brand like these today? It is right. Only because people got delighted and they shared. And when you get delighted, then your your expectation to become aware about different purchases, about different products, about different brands, it changes. Now you cannot make that person hook with आप समझ में वहां पे जा सकते हो. You probably would say पिछले समझ में आप उधर गए थे, ये समझ में आप इधर जाके ये वाला एक्सपीरियंस गेन कर सकते हो. That is a sense of awareness that you are bringing in again. And then you have the person in that cycle again. Awareness, engagement, delight.
Right.
Awareness, engagement, delight. So this is how it will go. So in this entire story, what I think, Pankaj, is talking about a brand is important. But before even getting into that talking, one has to plot these journeys. One has to set a goal. कि मुझे अवेयरनेस में कितना चाहिए, एंगेजमेंट में कितना चाहिए, डिलाइट में कितना चाहिए, एंड देन स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग द कंटेंट टू मीट दोस गोल्स. वन शुड नॉट स्ट्रेट अवे ब्लाइंडली स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट. ये नहीं करना.
Now it brings us to the last question of the session, and that has to be about COVID-19, the pandemic. Okay. So in a times like this, when people have lost business opportunities, how should these businesses be using this kind of a time? What should brands be investing on their time and money on in this kind of times? What do you think?
Pankaj, right now, so travel industry has gone for a toss. It sounds very harsh, but that's the reality we all are facing. Right. I am connected with travel industry. You are connected with travel industry. We all know that we have taken a massive hit. Massive hit.
Right.
So at this point in time, we know that operation is not working out. What can we do? I think the focus should be more on the marketing aspect. I think the time right now for these persons to get actively involved in creating content. The kind of broken record I have been constantly saying कि अगर आप brand owner हो तो आप अपना कहानी बताओ, share your experience, that adds the brand value. Very very important aspect over there. अगर आप content share कर रहे हो, अगर आप content बना रहे हो, go local. There is no harm in it, because that's where your people is. The moment you start talking in the local language, you know you are talking to more people, you are talking at depth to your market. to your target audience. That is where the main crux of the market is. लोगों को अंग्रेजी पढ़ पढ़ के, फिरंगे भाषा पढ़ पढ़ के, they are bored यार. I would love to visit a website that gives me a detailed itinerary in Bengali.
Wow.
Similarly, I would love to read a particular blog post that is written in Bengali. And I think this is the mindset of most of the visitors, most of the readers these days. अगर आपको उन लोगों के पास पहुंचना है, talk in the language, in their language. This is the time when you can create your stories and talk in their language. Utilize the most of it, invest the most of this time in marketing. आपको पैसा खर्च करने का जरूरत नहीं है. आपके पास अभी टाइम तो है ना, तो आप उस टाइम को इन्वेस्ट करो ना. आप खुद लिखो, लिख के जब आपके पास पैसा खर्चे का टाइम आ जाएगा, then you hand over your content to the person who can write, who can edit. वो सामने वाला बंदा उसे पॉलिश करके पब्लिश कर देगा. तो मोटा मोटा your cost will come down, because a person like me who will charge for my writing, I will charge for my research time, I will charge for my writing time, I will charge for my editing time. So if you can give me researched, well-researched personal information and written content, मुझे करना क्या है? मुझे तो सिर्फ एडिट ही करना है. Your cost comes down. No.
Right.
आपको अगर थोड़ा सा टाइम इन्वेस्ट करके आपका कॉस्ट कम करना है, आप वो कर लो, अभी करो. This is the best time to do it. I personally feel this is the time when all brand owners should focus on creating their stories.
I'll give you an example.
Yeah.
I'll give you one example. There is this friend called Kamlesh. Now, Kamlesh is working as a DMC, Destination Management Company, for Ladakh.
Okay.
And he is there in the market for more than 10 years now. Okay. And one of the biggest DMCs for Ladakh now.
Okay.
Now, Ladakh as a destination opens up to tourists for a limited number of months. Okay, starting from the month of May till the month of September. Okay, now what is Kamlesh supposed to do after October till the month of April next year? What is he supposed to do? You know, ideally he would just do the product building, product development for the next year and the next season. Okay, but that is from the product point of view. From the customer point of view, and he promotes his products only to the B2Bs, the travel agencies and the tour operators. How does he connect with them? You know what he does? Every day he puts a post on Facebook, LinkedIn, as well as to the WhatsApp groups. He would simply say what is the temperature in Ladakh today.
Awesome.
I don't know how did he think of this. Why does he do this? I don't know. But almost every day there is a post from him that today Ladakh in the month of December. Today Ladakh temperature is -30 at this place. -30 degrees Celsius at this particular place. So even if you are not selling Ladakh for the month of December, you get to see that post. You cannot miss it. It's coming daily. Okay? So you see it and you think of Kamlesh, you think of Ladakh as a destination. Exactly. So whenever you have to sell Ladakh next year, you know that one name. It's there, it's fit in over here. And you promote him.
Exactly. If you have to make a very interesting kind of marketing spin to it, this one came recently. I'm sharing my screen, okay? See this.
Yeah.
Now, I was going through a set of blog posts yesterday. Over there, I read on this tourism, Iceland tourism. they are opening Iceland. They are opening for next year. Okay, and this is what they're doing. Let me share. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
This particular website looks like you need, sorry, looks like you need Iceland. This website, all it is allowing you to do is capture your screen. Let me repeat that. Capture your screen. How much can you scream?
Oh,
What not? And that's the reason they say to let it out. Okay? What are they saying? Mother Nature's letting it out right now. Therefore, you are frustrated, you are at home, locked, and you are so bored. You want to vent out your frustration by screaming. Okay?
okay.
This is a page. This is a page where you can come and you can record. You see tap to screen? You can record your screen and you can publish it.
Wow.
Okay? Moment you get published, you move to the next part, which is the main website of the Iceland Tourism. Amazing!
Wow.
Amazing!
But this is so different to them, no?
Completely. Completely. I was blown away. And let me tell you, all that we have seen just right now, they are a part of the content. Yes, they do form the entire marketing strategy, but the marketing strategy could communicate that you are frustrated, you are locked at home, you need to vent out, you need to scream. This particular communication came together with that landing page, let it out, and then when you scream, that technology which allows you to scream and capture the screen, then it takes you to the Iceland tourism page. These are the things that you can do if you want to spend more money in marketing. But at the end of the day, marketing is what you are doing right now. You do not have the scope for operations. You can only think of product creation. But all you need to do is communicate. And to communicate, you have to market. That's about it. That's about it.
This has been a very interesting conversation and a lot of takeaways. Like, how do you work on the content? How do you utilize this time working on the content, working on the marketing of your brand? And most importantly, talk about yourself. People do not want to read the general stuff, read the destination general stuff, which Google is anyways presenting in various forms, in the forms of maps, reviews, and what not, even the images Google gives. Okay, but what you need to talk about is your own brand story, how you created this brand, how you came up with this idea. Okay, so this has been a wonderful takeaway, from this session. And Pradosh, thanks a lot for the same. Thanks a lot.
Pleasure is entirely mine. I am stopping over there and I'm jutting in through because I'm so happy that you asked me to join this call. The pleasure is entirely mine, Pankaj. It's really
You're welcome.
very, very interesting. We will meet.
Take care. Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.